Hello everybody, hope we all are keeping well and safe. Today I'm gonna show you how I make my cold pressed carrot oil from the carrots, and it's used in cosmetics for anti-aging properties in skincare. Carrot oil has shown antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory and antitoxin properties. What it does have are the vitamins and nutrients provided by carrots. Carrot oil contains beta-carotene and vitamin A, which help to improve your skin complexion by removing toxic buildup and repairing sun-damaged skin. Antiseptic property are also help to reduce breakout and acne formation from using carrot oil. Okay, carrot oil are well known for being one of the best essential oils for acne and blemish prone skin. Carrot oil are very useful. They are best for your skin and your face. So today I'm gonna be using jojoba oil to make my carrot oil. When you see the process I'm taking, when you grate your oil, before I've done carrot oil where I fry it on the fire. This one I'm not frying it, it's gonna be cold press. Okay, watch out the process. You can use carrot oil to lighten your skin as well, for brightening your skin, moisturizing your skin. So let's crack on. So firstly, you have to get a grater. You have to grate your carrots like I'm doing now. I'm gonna grate it. Okay. You can use any grater to grate your carrots, or you can chop it up. Yeah, I think the best thing is to grate it. I don't know about blending. You might blend it, but you can't put water, you see. That is where the problem is. So the best thing is to grate. Okay, have a grater at home. Have a grater in your kitchen and grate. Can you see it? So guys, I forgot to tell you, you have to get a very good sweet organic carrot. Peel the carrot skin, wash it, peel it, wash it again, dry it up before you start grating it. Okay, that is what I did. You must not go and buy a carrot without peeling the skin off, and you start doing, say, oh, you watch it on my video, so you got to know. You got to wash your carrot, peel it, wash it again, dry it before you start grating it. Make sure you use clean utensils, clean bowl. So now it's all grated. I've grated them. Can you see them? It's all grated here. Yeah, that is my carrot. I've finished grating it. Yeah, so I'm gonna try. If you don't have a container, you can still use this same bowl like this and put in the oil of your choice. Okay, put in the oil of your choice. But because I have a bowl, I have a container that has a cover. I'm gonna leave the container here. Then I'm going to transfer the grated carrot into this jar. We know what carrot does when we eat carrot. We use carrot to do carrot cake, carrot souffle, carrot bread, carrot pancake, carrot fufu. They are all healthy. Healthy. So you can imagine what it does to your skin. So this is the grated carrot now in here. Okay, so I'm gonna tip in my oil. I'm gonna tip in my oil to infuse. So I'm gonna leave this carrot oil 1 week to 1 week plus, if possible 2 weeks, so that the oil will infuse, because I'm not cooking this on the fire. This is cold press process I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to put in my oil now. I told you my oil I'm putting. Jojoba oil and coconut oil is what I'm tipping in there. I put in my oil goes in there, all covered. So guys, this thing takes a lot of oil. You can use any oil, coconut oil. If you don't understand any oil, the one you know, use it. The one you are sure of your skin takes, the one that is compatible to your skin, you use it. I'm using jojoba and coconut oil. So I will leave it to infuse. I'll mix it. Then the oil gonna infuse to take 2 weeks, a week plus. Yeah, I'm not gonna put it in the boiling hot water. I will put it by the window sill. This one is called cold press. I see some people, they ask question, what is the difference between cold press coconut oil, cold press? This cold press is the one you didn't cook on the fire. Cold press is the one you do naturally. You get the oil naturally. If I want coconut cold press oil or carrot cold press oil, I wouldn't cook it on the fire. You allow it to infuse with any oil you use. Say, for example, you want to do coconut oil. If you go to the Holland and Barrett, I normally buy my coconut oil or any shop, you will see that cold press oil, organic cold press oil, is more expensive than the normal coconut oil. There's a lot of different kinds of coconut oil in the market. So you see, it's grade by grade, the way they were processed. So this carrot oil I'm doing now is a cold press process that I'm doing. If you watch some of my videos, there's a video I did last year how to do carrot oil. After grating the carrots, I start frying it with the oil of my choice. Fry, and all infused. But this one I'm not frying. This one is cold press process. So I'm gonna close the jar. I'm gonna mix. Shake. Keep shaking per day. Each day you shake once. Shake thoroughly. Then you leave it by the window. So you leave it, you go. The next day you do. You do it for 2 weeks or 1 week plus. You will get a very effective result. So right now it's already done there. Now I'm gonna leave it for a week plus before I will now, sieve the oil out. So each day I will shake. Keep shaking. Shake. Can you see it? So let's see. Guys, this is the 7th day now. The seventh day. Every day I shake. This is the 7th day now. Today make it 1 week. I've done this carrot oil. Leave it inside the oil to infuse to mayonnaise. Then I've been shaking it every day and I leave it by the window sill. Okay? If you want a fast result, you can put it on the hot water, but I don't want to. Can you see? Can you see the results of my cold press oil, carrot cold press oil? So I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna shake it again. Shake. Mix so it will infuse inside properly. I can as well add more oil if I want. Add more oil up to this level. But I don't want the oil to overpower the carrots. So I want to get that color, that nutrient, that vitamin out of the carrots. Okay, guys. You see, you mix. You can shake. You get a bottle with a cover. Okay, so that is the oil. Look at it. That is the carrot oil. This carrot oil is for the skin because I've put things for skin. But you can make this carrot oil for your salad, for your cooking, if you want, for your dressing, to roast your fish, to roast your chicken. But I wouldn't put the chemical put here, like all the oil for the skin, So that is my carrot oil, guys. Look at it. It's very easy. Watch this video to the end. Do not skip it. And thank you for not doing that. And watch it and make your own. I can do it my own way. Carrot oil at home, DIY. Okay? Get a very nice carrot. Make sure the utensils you are using are properly washed. Okay? Guys, my carrot oil, this is the 8th day now. You need to have patience to leave this thing for 2 weeks to 9 days, 2 weeks, okay? If possible, leave it for 2 weeks so that the whole thing will work out fine for you, okay? So this is the 8th day now. This thing has been fusing my cold pressed carrot oil. So now it's time for me to get the oil out, because it has been sitting here for 9 days to 8 days now. Okay, so it's now time for me to take the oil out. So what I got here, I got my bottle here, my clean bottle. This bottle has been washed with warm water. I washed it because I used it before for some other things. So now I'm gonna put my funnel. Okay, this is the oil here, my funnel. Then I will use this one, put this one on top of the funnel. Okay, so this is how it's gonna go, like this. Gonna take time. Okay, this is the two you will use to sieve your oil. Then it will start going down the bottle. Okay, don't just tip it like you need that sieve and the funnel to drain down your oil. So it's draining out now. Okay, it's draining out. Can you see it? This is a cold pressed carrot oil. Organic, authentic, original. No fakey here, no chemical, no any preservative, you know. This is organic oil. See what I'm doing now? This is how I do it. You see? This is how I do it. You see the oil? This is how I do it. You press. What I will do, I might still add more oil and leave it for another 1 week more, because there's still more of the carrot thing that hasn't infused finish. You see the oil? Let me put it back inside the bottle. Then let me take the oil out. You see the oil? I'm not gonna throw this one away, this fiber from the carrot. I'm gonna add more oil and leave it for another 1 week to 2 weeks, you know. You see this fiber, this one, the carrot fiber. I'm going to add another oil and leave it for another 1 week to 2 weeks again. I'm not going to throw it away. I will leave this fiber for another oil. So now, Let me wipe my hands. Hands is full of oil. So now that is the carrot oil, guys. That is the organic carrot oil. It's all done. I take off the funnel. Can you see how easy it is? It takes time, but it's easy. You know you are rubbing organic oil, carrot oil, on your body, on your face. You know, you make sure that what you are using is organic. That is my organic carrot oil. It's ready. Look at it down here. Authentic, organic, original one. For your skin, to lighten your skin, to brighten your skin, you know. That is your cold pressed carrot oil for skin lightening, to remove wrinkles, to stop anti-aging, to reduce, to slow aging down. You know, it's a serum as well. It's a cleanser. You know, it's healthy. It makes you look younger than your age. You know, it's good to brighten your complexion. This is a super gluing carrot oil for your skin, for your face. Best DIY carrot oil for skin lightening. No frying. I didn't fry this one. This one is cold press. Okay, I done the fry one before. The video is there. You can go and watch it and see that one. But, you know, this one is cold press carrot oil. It takes time, but it's easy to make. Don't panic. Just relax and do it, and you will never regret it. Using it on your skin. Okay, guys.